Today our task is to print even numbers between two numbers. In other words, we have a starting point, a starting number, and ending point, an ending number. We will print even numbers between that starting point and ending point. So first we will take a starting point, or in other words a starting number from user. So after getting that starting point, we will convert that input to integer. Similarly, we will take ending point and enter ending point, so making that message more meaningful, and starting point. After getting that starting and ending point, we will loop uh, in range their start from their starting point and end at that ending point entered by user. So for each number in iteration between that starting and ending point, we will check if that number is divisible by completely divisible by 2, then we will simply print it out. Otherwise it will do nothing. So make so let's test it. So enter starting point, say 5, enter ending point, say 100. So that's we that's you can see we have uh, shown all the even numbers starts from 5 and ends at 100. So all even numbers between 5 and 100 mean 6 to 98. So as we have started from start and ends at, and we know that for loops always execute one less than that ending point. So if we want exactly to run at ending point, we will simply add 1 to it. So now again check it. So now instead of running to 98, it execute until 100. So that's how we can print out even numbers between two numbers, starting point and ending points. That's it for today. Thank you.